Alright, so let's go with the project setup and the folder orientation. So let's first set up the project. Now let's go into the vue.js vue.js.org and let's check out the documentation how we can install the project. So I'm into the quick start menu, and you can see there is an npm create vue latest. So and then it will ask some parameters to fill up, and it will give us the scaffolding of the project. So let's do that. Let's copy npm create vue latest, and let's open up the terminal. Okay, I have already opened one terminal. Let's take a tab and let's so right now I'm in vue projects folder. I have already one vue nodes, so let's like paste it here, npm create vue latest, and it should ask me. So let's do vue nodes yt for YouTube, and we do not want any TypeScript, no JSX, no view router, and we need Pinia, so use the arrow key, no unit test. Okay, that is not, and no ESLint for now as well. So right now it's saying to go into cd and view nodes yt and npm install and npm run diff. So let's do that. Let's do npm install, and let's wait for some time, and it's done. Now let's run npm run diff like so, and it's running into the local. So let's just copy this and perhaps paste it here. So you can see our setup has been done. Okay, so now let's open okay, okay, so let's close this down and open this with our code editor, and again let's run it from here. So npm run diff again. Alright, so the project has been opened with the VS Code editor. You can use whatever you like to use, and let's do some cleanups because we actually do not need all these stuffs in our project. So let's do some clearings here. Let's open the src, and we have this main.js. Let's open the app. Perhaps we let's close this down. We do not need those things. We actually do not need any of this, and we do not need any of this as well, not any styles. And let's make this using with tabs. Copy all, hit a tab and get back. Okay, so it will show us some errors, so we'll fix that, no problem. So this looks alright. We have this main.css into the assets folder. So src assets and main.css, we actually also gonna clear up those things. We do not want the logo, not the base. Again, closing up. And for the components, we do not need the icons. Hello, no, nothing. It just clean slate, and we do not need the store. Alright, so this is app, this is main.js, public looks okay, assets, components, stores, so everything is blank. Alright, so let's check the app. So it's totally blank, right? And it doesn't giving us any error, I hope. Okay, so it's a blank slate for us. Now let's just test it out. We can say, not inside the script, we can say h1, let's say few notes, and it should pop up. So you can see it is changing. So this is the blank setup of our project and the Vue.js as well. Alright, so before adding any files into this folder, let me show you one anatomical image that I have created for you to demonstrate the project. So let me just give you one glimpse of the project. So this is my another project instance. So you can see this was the project that I have shown into the previous video as well. So to understand what actually required, what type of files or the folder orientation is required for this project, I have created one image. Let me bring back that to you. So this one. So basically we have two main things. One is for the list view and another is for the grid view. So by default we will start with the list view. So here you can see we have this top bar. So for that, this top bar is actually common in the list view and the grid view as well. And we can see we have this sidebar and the main content area, whereas in grid view we do not have any sidebar, just the content area. So this content area will be common for both list and grid as well. Now here in the content area we will do some common operations as well, like adding the nodes, edit or update, and view or details. Same things will happen into the grid view as well. So these things will also be like common. Only difference is the sidebar, which is not available into the grid obviously, and the list item that is actually also available in terms of information, because the node will have the title and the content, and the grid will have the same thing for the nodes like title and the content, but maybe the design can be different. So that's why the list orientation is like vertical and the grid orientation is more like horizontal. But we can we can say this is also like common. So let's go back and create some like folders here inside the components. I will explain to you obviously. So let's create the first folder and we can say it common, and let's add another folder and we can say it list. Let's add another one, we can say it grid, and let's add another one which we'll call let's say partials. Alright, so in common, if I reopen the image, let me reopen the image for you. So in common, what we're going to have, first one is the top bar. So let's add that one first. So let's add one file which is called top bar .vue, and then possibly we have this add nodes, edit, and the view. So this will also be common. So let's add those as well inside the common. So first one is add node.view, and then we can add like update node.view, and also we can add the view node.view. Super. Now inside the grid, obviously we'll have the grid view, so we can add grid view.view component. So these are all actually components. So inside the list we can add list view.view, right? And another one we actually need is sidebar. You can see sidebar is only available in the list, so we can do inside the list is sidebar.view, and inside the partial we'll add these list items. So it can be conditionally different in list and grid, and it is a partial components we are declaring as. So let's say list item dot view. All right, now because we are using Pinia, obviously we need another something into the store. So let's add like node store.js. So we'll implement the stored things into this node store.js. So that's pretty much it in terms of orienting the folder structure. We'll obviously add the respective file into the specific places when it is required.